you were the last party to talk to anybody about corruption, because your party corrupted public life in this republic for well on 40 years, to a far greater degree than any other party in this country. You corrupted the moral code of our country and our society by the murder and mayhem that you perpetrated, and that you still endorse, Deputy. You still endorse it. You still support the narrative of murder and mayhem and so forth. And you also support,
quiet, please, Deputy.
You also support the undermining of women who were raped by IRA volunteers, and your party covered it up. So do not come into this House and lead with your chin, telling everybody else or telling this party that we were corrupt. We had faults and flaws, no doubt about it, but we faced up to it. We never ever attempt, as you do consistently, you consistently try and rewrite the narrative and bury the truth about the level of corruption your party engaged in down through the years. Now, to come to the housing issue, what you're good at rewriting narratives.